Hello, this is Alejandro again. Here we are going to talk about the video tutorial number 2, which I will post here, and I will explain a bit on the new activities due April 30th and the second oral presentation instructions and some information for these presentations. Okay, so the activities are due on April 30th. Remember, you have other activities due April 10th, and some of them were due yesterday on March 28th. So I hope you are completing all of them. They are important for participation. These you have to upload here, as always, until April 30th, and they are based on uh, the course material number 3, topic 3. So go to page 11 and you have to do these activities. Number 7, match the concepts and the definitions. Then say which theory, X or Y, belongs to each statement here. Number 8, explain these terms. Okay, what do they refer to in duty management, in an airport, in airlines? Number 9, this is a section on complaining and apologizing situations. This is a conversation between two people. So, of course, you don't have to be two, just only one person, and just carry out a conversation, uh, greeting, and then stating a problem, requesting for a solution, and then apologizing in a formal way. So write a dialogue, and you have to read the dialogue. If you have someone else read another part, maybe your family or someone with you, or you could also work together by a virtual conference and record the final product between two students. But if you don't, then one person is enough. But you have to read everything to and then upload. Upload on Campus Virtual on the section that I will open under these activities for activity number 9 on page 12. Okay. If you have any questions, please ask me by email or write WhatsApp to my telephone 622 862945. Okay, and then page 13, activity 10. This is just matching each job position in a company, to the comments given by that person. So just say letter A is sales representative or whatever. Okay, just those answers. And then page 14, this is something related to the oral presentation, the second oral presentation, and it's about managing change in a company when you have to readapt or restructure the business for different situations or different factors that come up. So, based on the definition of change management, reorder these steps to take when you have to make a change in a company or in a business situation. Okay, which one is the first step, and then the second, third, etc. And then finally, video and do the Kahoot quizzes, which will be on Campus Virtual in module 3 for April. Okay, you have module 3 until 30th of April. All these activities you have to complete, remember. And then there are Kahoot activities that I have posted. This one is based on the listening for this video. Okay, and then there are others that you have to complete related to complaining and apologizing situations, company keywords, and giving good presentations. Okay, just do them on your own until April 30th. And then the second presentation guidelines are here. Okay, this presentation can be done individually or by pairs. Remember, this is 25%. It's a high grade. We don't know when, but maybe we are going to do this virtually in May. Okay, there is still the first presentation, which you have to do by groups, or you could also do individually, recording a video. We'll talk about that later, okay? But this one, we'll see. We'll probably meet by video conference, and you can do it individually or by pairs. If you can manage to work by pairs virtually from one home to another, it's good. Then you can do it. Otherwise, just do it individually, okay? You have to do two things: a composition first, kind of like a report, so between 2 and 4 pages, explaining different steps for change management. Okay, follow these points: why you write the report, identify specific things in a company, in a business situation, in tourism, whatever you want, that need to be changed. You have examples here in Extremadura. Think about different specific places that you can go to and try to make a change or make improvements. Describe how these changes may be made, what kind of technology, resources, tools, techniques, medias, etc. That you can use, and how. Then describe the future step-by-step plan. You can follow that order for the plan that we saw in activity activity 11 on page 14. So remember, there is this order that you can follow. And then explain some conclusions, some recommendations based on the report. You upload this on Campus Virtual in a slot, in a space that I will provide on Campus Virtual. Okay, and then the second part is the oral presentation that you have to speak at least 5 minutes each person. So you have to give a lot of information. Don't read. You can have the notes, you can have the transcript, you can look, but never read all the time. And then follow the step-by-step model for change management in the presentation. It's important. These are different examples of tools, resources, ideas that we can have for change, for updates in businesses, in tourism. Okay, here are some examples. Be formal, be clear, be effective in the presentations. Follow a model like this one. There are some expressions that you can use along the presentation. So be very formal. Okay, so those are the guidelines. Some more information for presentations are here related to the parts of the presentation, how to open the presentation. There are examples, PDF, and also voice. You can listen to to these examples. And here is the PDF and the voice, the sound. You can listen to the expressions. Okay, so that's more practice for the second presentation. Okay, and that's it. I'll tell you more about that in the future, but you can start working on this. Well, remember, we have 2 presentations, and the first one you can do it here by uploading the video. But if you don't, then we'll meet somehow again for the first presentation. So I'll tell you more about that. We'll meet, if not physically, virtually by video conference. Okay, so that's it. We are almost finishing March, so remember to finish March, and then April 30th, that's the deadline for the third batch of activities. Okay, and so I'm not going to post any more activities now for this month. Maybe by the end of April, we'll see how things go, if we can meet again physically. If not, then I will post again and I will tell you and I will give you all the information for the rest of the course. Okay, so take care, stay safe, and see you soon, I hope. Bye.